Hello students, today we are going to see some problems in the chapter numbers. Let us see the first problem. If 625 the whole power x equal to 15,625, find x square and x cube. Let us see the solution for this question. I am going to use factorization method. The last number is 5, so it is understood this number is divisible by 5. So I am going to use fifth table. 3 5s are 15. Next 1 5 is 5, remaining 1, it became 12. 2 5s are 10, remaining 2, so it became 25. 5 5s are 25. Next I am going to use the same fifth table. 6 5s are 30, remaining 1, it became 12. 2 5s are 10, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. Next fifth table. 1 5 is 5, remaining 1, 12. 2 5s are 10, remaining 2, it became 25. 5 5s are 25. Next the same fifth table. 2 5s are 10, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. Next I use fifth table. 5 5s are 25. Next I use fifth table. 1 5 is 5. 625 the whole power x equal to 15,625. 15,625 can be written as, there are 6 5s are here, so the multiplication of 6 5s is 15,625. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 into 5 5s are 25. If there is no power of any number, we can consider there is a power 1. If this number 625 transposed to left hand side, it will become division because it is in multiplication. It can be written as 625 the whole power x divided by 625 the whole power 1 equal to 25 power 1. In this situation, we are going to use a law here. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, where a equal to 625, m equal to x and n equal to 1. By this law of exponent, we get 625 the whole power x minus 1 equal to 25 power 1. We know 25 into 25 equal to 625. By using this, therefore 625 equal to 25 square. We may write 25 square instead of 625. So it can be written as 25 square. There is a power x minus 1 equal to 25 power 1. In this situation, we are going to use another one law. A power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n, where a equal to 25, m equal to 2, n equal to x minus 1. By using this law, it can be written as 25 power 2 into x minus 1 equal to 25 power 1. It can be written as 25 power 2 into x equal to 2x, plus into minus equal to minus, 2 into 1 equal to 2, equal to 25 power 1. Look at here, the bases are equal, so the powers are equal. Let us take 2x minus 2 equal to 1. Because the bases are equal, so we take the powers are also equal. 2x minus 2 equal to 1. When we transpose minus 2 to right hand side, it will become plus 2x equal to 1 plus 2 2x equal to 3. When we transpose this 2 to right hand side, it will become division because it is in multiplication. So the value of x equal to 3 by 2. We got the value of x. We have to find x square and x cube. Okay, let us find x square. X square equal to 3 by 2 the whole square. It can be written as 3 square by 2 square. Even in this place we are using a law. A by b the whole power m equal to a power m by b power m, where a is 3, b is 2 and m is 2. 3 square equal to 9 and 2 square equal to 4. So the value of x square equal to 9 by 4. Next we have to find the value of x cube. 3 by 2 the whole cube. It can be written as 3 cube by 2 cube by using a law. A by b the whole power m equal to a power m by b power m, where a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and m equal to 3. 3 cube can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 and 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we got the answer x cube equal to 27 by 8. This is the answer for this question. The second problem is, if 2 power m minus 1 plus 2 power m plus 1 equal to 640, then find m. Okay students, let us see the solution. First write the question. 2 power m minus 1 plus 2 power m plus 1 equal to 640. Compare this with the second law of exponent. A power m minus n equal to a power m divided by a power n. It can be written as by using this law, where a equal to 2, m equal to m and n equal to 1. So we write 2 power m minus 1 as 2 power m divided by 2 power 1. Next, look at this. It looks like the first law of exponent. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n, where a equal to 2, m equal to m, n equal to 1. It can be written as 2 power m into 2 power 1 equal to 640. It is as usual. Look at here. Here is 2 power m and here is 2 power m. These are two terms having same exponent 2 power m. We take 2 power m outside. 2 power m into 1 by 2 plus 2 power m gone outside, so there is only 2 equal to 640. The number 2 power m, it is in both two terms, so we take outside. After taking 2 power m outside, it will become 2 power m into 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 640. Next we have to simplify this bracket. You know how to add a fraction with a natural number. The numerator 1. Next 2 2s are 4 and the denominator is 2 equal to 640. 2 power m into 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 5 by 2 equal to 640. When 5 by 2 transpose to right hand side, it will become reciprocal. 2 power m equal to 640 divided by 5 by 2. So it will become reciprocal, that means 2 by 5. Next simplify this. 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, remaining 1, 14, 2 5s are 10, remaining 4, 8 5s are 40. So the answer is 128 into 2. If you multiply this, you can get 256. Therefore 2 power m equal to 256. I am going to use prime factorization method. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, that is 16, 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Next second table, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next second table, 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Next the same second table, 8 2s are 16. Next the same second table, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. So we got it. So there are 8 2s are here. 2 power m equal 256. 256 can be written as 8 2s. We know there is a power 1 in all the numbers. It can be written as 2 power 8. If you add all the powers, you can get 8. It is the first law. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So we got 2 power m equal to 2 power 8. The bases are equal, so we equate the powers. So m equal to 8. We got the value. The value of m is 8. This is the answer for this question. Next problem. Simplify 16 into 10 square into 64 total divided by 4 square into 2 power 4. Let us find the solution. 16 can be written as 2 power 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Into 10 square can be written as 10 into 10. 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Next we see the denominator. 4 square can be written as 4 into 4. 2 power 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we are going to simplify. 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2, 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 1 2 is 2. So no numbers in the denominator, it is 1. When we multiply all the denominators, we get 1, so we ignore it. We have to multiply the numerators only. There is a numerator 10 into 4. 10 tens are 100, 100 fours are 400. So the answer is 400. This is the answer for this question.